Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to
Xiaomi has kicked off the Ultra Showdown pretty early this year, with the Xiaomi 17 Ultra launching ahead of schedule. Since it's arriving sooner than expected, the big question is, how does it actually feel to use? Today, let's open the box and check it out for the first time. Right out of the gate, the hand feel is solid as usual, and the look instantly gives off that strong Leica, almost camera-inspired vibe. That said, this time there's no external camera lens included in the box like we've seen from some rivals. Didn't Xiaomi once show off a magnetic external lens before? I'm honestly still waiting to see when that finally makes a comeback. Now, turning our attention to the Xiaomi 17 Ultra itself, the design has changed quite a bit this year. The most noticeable update is the move to a fully flat display. The bezel corners are also more rounded than before, which you can clearly see when you compare them side by side. Thanks to this flat screen design, the phone actually feels slimmer and lighter in the hand compared to the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. I haven't checked the exact measurements yet, but purely from the grip, it feels different in a good way. Personally, the 17 Ultra just feels more comfortable. There's also a small detail you might miss at first glance, the volume buttons. They're now split into separate up and down keys, which instantly reminds me of the old iPhone 4 days. I'm curious how everyone feels about this kind of button layout. Moving on to performance, there's no surprise here. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, so expectations are already sky high. Of course, what most people really care about is the camera, and this is where things get truly interesting. The upgrade this time is huge. At first glance, you might think one camera lens has disappeared and wonder if Xiaomi made a cut. But that's not the case at all. Instead, Xiaomi introduced a major change. The telephoto camera now supports continuous variable optical zoom. To put this into perspective, let's compare it with the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. That model had two telephoto lenses, but the different focal lengths relied on digital cropping, which meant the images weren't completely lossless. With the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, the lens structure is much closer to what you'd find in a real camera. The lens elements can physically move, allowing it to cover both 75mm and 100mm focal lengths optically. No digital cropping, no quality loss, just pure optical zoom across the range. In other words, a single lens now replaces two separate telephoto lenses in a straight setup. On top of that, it packs a massive 200 megapixel resolution with a true 1.4-inch sensor. Honestly, just looking at the sheer size of this camera module, you can tell how serious this upgrade is. All right, now let's dive into the telephoto performance. In real-world use, this telephoto camera doesn't just offer continuous optical zoom from 3.2x to 4.3x, it also comes with some very smart UI touches. With a simple shortcut, you can quickly jump between 75mm for close-ups, 85mm for portraits, and 90mm or 100mm for longer telephoto shots. On top of that, because this is true continuous optical zoom, the camera supports full 200 megapixel shooting across multiple focal lengths. Let's zoom in and take a closer look at the details from 75mm all the way to 100mm. What really stands out is how consistent the resolution is at every focal length. Each photo you're seeing is a genuine 200 megapixel image, not a cropped version. We also tested image quality in different lighting conditions, from nighttime scenes to bright daytime shots, and the results stay impressively uniform no matter the focal length. Take a look at this kitten's fur. It's so sharp that even the tiniest strands of hair are clearly visible. Now, one thing to note is that this telephoto lens doesn't use a fixed aperture. As you zoom, the aperture shifts from f2.39 to f2.96. That might sound concerning, but in practice, it mainly affects the frame rate. From my experience, it doesn't have a noticeable impact on overall image quality. What's even more impressive is that, despite the complex internal lens design, the camera still supports telephoto macro shooting, with a minimum focusing distance of about 30 centimeters. At the moment, macro mode tops out at 4.3x, though for extremely close shots, simply zooming in using the standard mode actually works better. Another highlight is that this telephoto lens has received Leica's APU certification. The lens was reportedly inspected multiple times to minimize chromatic aberration. When you compare it directly with an iPhone, the difference in flare control and ghosting is pretty obvious. Moving to the main camera, it uses a 1-inch OmniVision 1050L sensor, and the dynamic range has clearly been improved. How do you think it handles backlit scenes and high contrast environments? Looking ahead, with many brands expected to move away from 1-inch sensors next year, and with the idea that keeping prices flat often means cutting features, it feels like Xiaomi's combination of a 1-inch main sensor and a 200 megapixel APU, continuous optical zoom telephoto lens, could really shake up the ultra flagship market in 2025. I honestly thought the era of massive telephoto camera modules was over for most brands, yet the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is still creating a huge amount of buzz. By the time you're watching this, the official price should already be out. So let me know what you think. Does the Xiaomi 17 Ultra truly live up to the Ultra name? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.